Okay, so before we enter the forest, so I'd like to explain first from here by a little brief about the forest first we enter. So first of all, I'd like to wish first a good morning for all of you.
Good morning.
So my good name is Vicky.
Shabiki.
Vicky.
Nice
So I would
name.
like you to welcome to our place in Meghalaya. So I would like you to welcome to the Mauplang area or to the Mauplang Sacred Forest. So this is the forest that we are calling the Mauplang Sacred Forest, or in our local name we call a Lau Kantang. Lau Kantang. So like the meaning of Lau Kantang, Lau means a forest, and Kantang means a place which is a very holy, or a place is a very safe.
Acha.
Or in Hindi we can call it the Pavitra jungle. Pavitra. Okay.
Pavitra.
So this is a forest now which is standing over more than 800 years old.
100 years
Standing
old.
over more than 800 years, we know this forest as the untouched. Now, for a minute, I want to trip. So the meaning of untouched is mean like we can touch whatever is there in the forest is okay. But remember, nothing can pluck or nothing can break out from the forest. Okay? Even a single leaf, dry leaf, nothing can take out or nothing can remove from the forest. Because till now that we the local people here, we have a strong belief that if someone who pluck or someone who take anything from the forest, we the guy we remember we cannot do anything. But might be the God of the nature, he will do something at the nightmare to the person also. Because till now that we the local people here, we still believe that inside the forest there is a God. Okay? The name of the God that we the people are worshiping
Guide master আমার guide
called
বুঝাই আছে
Labasa. Labasa. L-A-B-A-S. At the
লাবাসা
same time, the total area of the forest is around 80 hectares. It will be me around the 192 hectares. Okay? And that stone, we known as the monolith stone. What is that tree standing stone? We known as the male. And the flat one, which is like table, no? That
আচ্ছা
one we known as the
স্টোন
so it's mean that stone, it shows that we the people in Meghalaya, we are respect or trust more to the female. When the female has the power to rule, control the family, we remain inside. And inside the forest, if you enter, you will see about the Rudraksha plant, which is very holy for the Hindu religion. You will see about the ritual place and the medicine plant also. Okay? So come, I like to brief you some more inside.
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্ট বল বাবা বল আমি এতিয়া সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ ভিতৰত সোমাই গৈ আছোঁ সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্ট মেঘালয়ৰ সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্ট ভিতৰত সোমাই গৈ আছোঁ তেখেতে গাইড মাষ্টাৰ আমাক বুজালে ধুনীয়াকৈ এতিয়া সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ তাৰে গাইড মাষ্টাৰ আগত গৈ আছে আমাৰ পাইলট ছাৰো পিছত আছে গৌতম ময়ো গৈ আছোঁ পিছে পিছে বঢ়িয়া মই গৈ আছোঁ ইয়াত কিন্তু বহুত ৰেষ্ট্ৰিক্টেড হয় একো বস্তু ছিঙিব নোৱাৰি বহুত এইটো ইয়াৰ কিবা আছে ইয়াত আপোনালোকে গুগলত চাৰ্চ কৰি ল'ব অধ্যয়ন কৰি ল'ব ফৰেষ্টে আমাক বুজালে ভিডিঅ'টো মই ল'লোঁ বাৰু সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ বিষয়ে সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ ভিতৰত আমি সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ ভিতৰত আমি এণ্ট্ৰি কৰি আছোঁ এইটো আমাৰ দীপ্ত মানে পূৰা মানে ভিডিঅ' কৰি গৈ আছে দীপ্তমান তাতেই সিক্ৰেট ফৰেষ্টৰ আমাৰ গাইড মাষ্টাৰ হয় এখেত কিছুমান মানে পিছত আছে যে ৰখি দিবলগীয়া হ'ল তেখেতে বুজাব ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন দিব আকৌ ধুনীয়াকৈ বুজাব
Okay, so you see this plant here?
Okay.
This is one of the plant which is a very poisonous plant.
This one?
Yes, which we are calling in the scientific name is the lily cobra plant.
Lily cobra plant, na?
I
Acha.
hope maybe you ever seen before in your life like this type of plant. Okay.
Okay.
So this is one of the plant which is a very poisonous.
Acha.
Or mostly we found only in Meghalaya state.
Acha.
So this type of plant, if animal even be the human, accidentally we can eat this plant directly, we will die also.
Acha.
But before like around 60 to 70 years back, our ancestor, our forefather, they used to make a medicine from this plant which is very useful for anti-venom. Okay?
Anti-venom, acha.
Yes. From the people if they get to bite like a bite snake problem, no?
Good
It
poison
might
plan
be
hoy.
like they bite from the hand. So they just take with this medicine, they apply it from that place where the snake is bite. So they just keep there only more than hours also. So all the poison with snake will be enter in this plant only. Okay? It means this is very useful, at the same time it's very dangerous one. Okay?
अच्छा ओके थैंक यू
স্নেক বাইট কৰিলে যে পইজন প্লান হয় পইজনটোৱে পইজনক কাটে মানে
কিমান ধুনীয়াকৈ বুজাই দিছে তেখেতে ভাল লাগিছে এতিয়া ফৰেনাৰ আচ্ছা এতিয়া আৰু কিবা এটা পাইছোঁ বুজাব তেখেতে
Okay, so you see this tree here.
অ'কে
So this is one of the tree which we are calling in the scientific name is the Eliocarpus robustus. You have heard the name? No. Eliocarpus robustus is the scientific name. So which is a common name we know as the Rudraksha. So
ৰুদ্ৰাক্ষ
I hope you know. So these are the Rudraksha tree which are bearing a three-mukhi Rudraksha. But these are Rudraksha now. The one that we get or the one that we found in our state in Meghalaya is that the single mukhi up till the 7th. Okay? So one question, any idea for you guys? What is the rarest species of Rudraksha in the world? Which is the more expensive Rudraksha? Okay. One. And second one, any idea? Because there's a two type of Rudraksha. What is the rare and which is very strong? Any idea the second one? Okay. Okay. For you? Okay. So I'll explain you. Remember guys, there is a Rudraksha from 1 to 21.
য়েছ
But the one we found here is 1 till 10 or 1 till 7. Okay. But from 1 till 10, 1 till 7, there is only 2.
ৰুদ্ৰাক্ষ
We found it that Rudraksha, that is the best and the lucky species of Rudraksha where you can find in the life. That is the single mukhi and then the 7 mukhi. 1 and the 7 is the best Rudraksha where you can use it in your life because that is the rarest species of Rudraksha in the world. Okay? At the same time, even real Rudraksha and fake Rudraksha. is different. Okay? Mostly if you go to market, you can get those Rudraksha 100 rupees, 200. But that one we don't call Rudraksha. Okay? We call it a Badraksha. But it's made by plastic. Real Rudraksha, like to tell you a price, sometimes cost of 20,000 also there's no Rudraksha. Real one, mature one. Okay? Because why? You know why? Why expensive? Any idea? At the same time it's rare. At the same time plastic is very common. So that's why. Real one is more expensive than the food. Okay? But if you get the real one, you'll be the lucky person in the world. Okay? The one which is the most powerful Rudraksha. What is the present the name of the Lord Shiva God? What is the one that is rare to get and the one that is very expensive is the one mukhi. But still, lot of people they like to buy, they like to purchase it. If any price, any amount does matter. Because that is the best Rudraksha where you can wear or where you can keep in your puja place. Because one Rudrakshas come one in the life of a people or one in the life of a family. And it's a bearing of 1 to 1,000 of years. So that's why it's rare to get and it's very expensive. But if you have the one Rudraksha, remember 50 of a person from the Lord Shiva God will be gift to you when you have the one mukhi. Okay? Two mukhis are part of Shiva and Parvati. That is a part of relationship people. Husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, they go to two mukhi. Because why? For strong, happy life of the relationship. To be trust, to be care, to be respect, it's all about two mukhi. And the two mukhi Rudraksha will make the boys or the girl to get a good future path in their life. Or maybe for the married people, if they don't have any children, you hold to keep the two mukhi. One day they will get a child by the bless of Shiva and Parvati. Okay? When you have the two mukhi, always remember your life, you will not get like a girl or a boy, but it's not in good. Always in good and always will respect you also. Trimukhi, combination of three gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. That is all about the health, well and safety. Remember Trimukhi Rudraksha is the best one that you can keep in your car vehicle, a bike. It might be in your pocket, wallet, purse, bag, carry bag, etc. Because why? It always protect your life from accident, bad luck, bad evil spirit, bad diseases, bad people, the nightmare. It's all about Trimukhi. So the best one Trimukhi, mostly people when they're traveling, going to office, going somewhere, they hold the Trimukhi for the safety and all like that. And the 4 is only for student. It might be for who are in school or college, we can go to Forum Key. Because why Forum Key Rudraksha, best Rudraksha for students to be good in the skill, knowledge, career, success, confidence. It's all about Forum Key. 5 is good for family, and 6 only for the personal of the elder people, working people. People are not work anymore, retired people, old people, you can go 6 key for personal, for career, success, energy, BP, sugar, diabetes, heart problem, personality, negativity, diseases. People of the nature, people are lazy, people are not confident, and people overthinking, and people they cannot breathe it slowly, always they breathe faster when you're walking, so they need the 6 mukhi Rudraksha. And remember, when you have the 6 mukhi, you can dip in the water and drink it, will be helpful for your skin, for your blood, for your heart's lung, liver, for your brain, and for your eyes, all like that. Okay, and then at the same time the 7 we known as the second rarest species of Rudraksha in the world. That is good for female. Mostly the mother house or the daughter of the house used to keep the 7 mukhi for the god Lakshmi. Even male they can keep the 7. But if a male want to keep the 7 mukhi, a male keep the 7 mukhi. It's all about the money. For the fortune, you can go with the 7 mukhi. And one thing I'll not force any one of you from here. If you want, you can go for it. If you don't want, just leave it. And one of you want to buy one, purchase the real mature Rudraksha, I'll like show you outside. There's a shop we are selling it. So only this month now you can get a good price because of season. When there is a peak season from next month, a starting price of a pure mature Rudraksha, our place here 2 mukhi to 7 is cost 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. But if you buy this month now, you can get cheaper, you get 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. 1 key price fixation is cost around 80,000, but if you buy now, you get only 20,000. And one of you want to buy one purchase, I will show you outside. And any one of you want to touch the tree, take the blessing, you come and touch, we allow this. Okay?
दिखाई नहीं देगा ना ऊपर में
Okay, so you see this tree here. So this one is a pine tree.
Pine.
I hope all of you guys you know pine, huh? So remember a pine tree is one of a tree. This is the local Khasi pine tree, the native pine. Which is belonging from this place, Khasi Hill, which we known as a Khasi Pinus case here. From this a pine tree, we the local people here we used to make oil. That oil we known as Ayurvedic oil. Is the one of the oil which is very useful when the people have a problem like a migraine, headache, hair loss, hair fall, sinus, diabetes, tonsil, cough, asthma, stomach pain, gastric problem, knee pain, back pain, joint pain, paralysis, lingual piles problem, extra. People they just apply it or they just drink with that oil. All the problem will be cured always. At the same time we have this one. These are the pine needle leaf. You see here. So from this the pine needle leaf, we the local people here, we are used to make a mattress. Okay? Brown color, we used to make a mattress. Green one, we used to make oil or tea. But some people this one used to make brush for painting also. Okay? So this tree is standing here around 200 to 300 years. Okay? It's little bit quite old tree. Okay? Needles, pine needles, pine needles.
হেৰি অইল বনাই ইয়াৰ হেৰি পৰা মাইগ্ৰেন চাইগ্ৰেন বেমাৰ ভাল
Pine গছ, pine. পৰ্যটকবিলাক এয়া ভিতৰত সোমাই কিনে ফুৰি আহি আছে। এইবিলাক পৰ্যটক হয়। লগত গাইড মাষ্টাৰ আছে গাইড মাষ্টাৰে ষ্টেচন দি আছে আমাৰ গাইড মাষ্টাৰ তেখেত হয়
No video, ma. No video. Okay, so you'll see this tree here. So this is one of the tree which we know in the scientific name is the Taxus vegeta, which is a common name we know as yew tree or Himalayan yew, YEW. So from the bark of the tree, a lot of people use extracting oil. That oil is known as the Taxus oil. So one of the oil is red gut is very expensive. For 1 liter of that oil is cost more than 1.8 crore. There's one of the oil which is very helpful for the breast cancer. All type cancers is very helpful, but the main and only is for the breast cancer. Even the cancer problem is not only first and second stage, even the cancer will be used till the first stage to be cured also. Okay. At the same time, but this tree is little bit illegal in India. Mostly only government they use this tree. Okay. So maybe any one of your family, if you want to know more detail about this tree, you can go from Google. You can check it. You know more detail.
This is yew tree, YEW.
পৰ্যটক হয় হিমালয় ইউ ট্ৰি না
In this place also video we don't allow. No?
নট এলাউড না
That place. So you see this tree here. So this one is the tree composed in the same place, and that time we remove the tree. So you'll see here. Okay, come this side. I will take it.
आपको पता है सब डूज एंड डोंट व्हाई आर यू मेकिंग पाउच पाउच
Go stand there for 3 of you, no?
অ'কে
I'll do the picture.
সেই তোক না মই লৈ আছোঁ
Go stand there. You call all your family. Go stand there and give me mobile. I'll do the picture.
তাত যা তাত যা মই ফটো লৈ জানো জানি চাই থাক